Hi everyone. On behalf of the entire St. Joseph Notre Dame High School community, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to the Shea Family Charities for their incredible generosity and support. The improvements made possible by the SHEA Grant have touched every corner of our campus, enhancing both the learning environment and the daily lives of our students and staff. This has strengthened our ability to live out our Catholic mission, forming young people in faith, knowledge, and service. One of the most visible transformations has been the painting of all 4 of our campus buildings. This campus-wide refresh has not only brightened our physical space, but it has brought new energy and pride to our community. And walking onto campus, you feel difference, a sense of care, renewal, and belonging. In addition, the grant provided 40 new M3 MacBook Airs for faculty, replacing laptops that were a little old. And these new tools empower teachers to bring richer, more creative lessons into the classroom, an investment that directly strengthens the student learning experience and the mission of our Catholic education. And inside our buildings, the impact of the Shea Family Charities is just as powerful. In Marianist Hall, a brand new boiler has given us reliable, efficient heating, something our students and teachers especially appreciate during the colder months. And in our gym and science building, the HVAC system was completely rebuilt, creating a healthier, more comfortable environment for learning and athletics. In the gym lobby, new lighting has transformed the space, making it more welcoming for students, families, and guests alike. And over in San Jose Hall, another new boiler has been installed, ensuring consistent warmth for our dedicated counseling team and the business office. And in the Notre Dame Campus, 2 new boilers were added to keep our learning space comfortable, while a new space for student audio and video production was created, the Pilot Studio, opening the door for creativity, innovation, and hands-on learning experience that prepare our students for the future. Each of these improvements, whether they provide warmth, light, or new opportunities for creativity, reflects the Shea Family Charities' commitment to education and community. You have given our students not just updated facilities, but the message that they're valued and supported in Catholic education. So, from all of us at St. Joseph Notre Dame High School, students, faculty, and staff, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all for listening to my presentation.
Your generosity has made a lasting impact on our campus, and to everyone who walks through these doors, may God bless you abundantly for the blessings you share with us.